What's going on, YouTube? How you guys doing today? So today I'm here to unbox and review the Air Jordan Dub Zero patent leather black. Alright, these Jordans, let me give you guys a little history about these Jordans. Right, they were released 2005 in celebration of the 20th anniversary of the Jordan brand. Right, so without further ado, let's take a look at these sneakers. Let's see what it looks like. Alright, let me give you guys a 360 of these sneakers real quick. Let me show you guys the bottom of the sneaker. Let me show you guys the top of the sneaker. Okay. Now guys, if you rock these sneakers or you know about these Dub Zeros, okay, they got laser etched markings, alright, on the upper part of the sneaker, okay, which tells the history of the Jordan sneakers, okay, throughout the years. Alright, you got the 12s, you got the 13s, the 4s, you understand what I'm saying, all the way up to the 20. Alright, all these are laser etched on the sneakers. So it's actually for all the sneakerheads who love sneakers, this actually would be a dope sneaker to have in your collection, or something you have that tells the history about Michael Jordan sneakers and what you love. You understand what I'm saying? Take a look at the back of the sneaker. It says Jordan there. Usually when you have Jordan sneakers, you'll have the Jordan sign here, but it's just written Jordan on the back. That's kind of dope. I like that. Something different, okay? It's got bubbles in the midsole right here at the bottom. And there's a lot of comfort that comes out of these shoes too. Whenever you put these shoes on, it's very, very comfortable. And as you can see right here, you see this bubble right here placed in the midsole to give you a little bit of comfort. A lot of padding inside the shoe, okay? Both on the left and the right, giving you that rich feel, that comfy feel, that good feel, okay? What I love about these sneakers also, they got smooth patent leather. These sneakers actually made of all leather, but I love the smooth patent leather right here. Half of the shoe is made of smooth patent leather, all right? If you take a look at the laces holder over here, it's got the Jordan sign, okay? Jordan sign etched into it. This sneakers was designed so well, I love it, you know what I mean? It looks like different sneakers to me, you know what I'm saying? It looks like the 12s, you know what I mean, the 13s, and then it looks like the 4. There's so many different sneakers that's combined in these sneakers to make it look like this. You understand what I'm saying? Comes with the black laces, and also you see the tongue. The upper part is made of leather. Got the Jordan sign etched into it. All right, and you take a look at the bottom of the sneaker. Got the Jordan sign in the middle right there. Boom. This right here go for 140 retail, okay? Different Jordans, man. And then he's got the big tab in the back, just like the 6s do. Got those big tabs in the back, in case you want to hold your shoe like that. You understand what I'm saying? Like I said, this goes for 140 retail. And these sneakers, from my experience, they're very comfortable. You know what I'm saying? When I put my feet in, I said, yeah, this is the right here. It feels very, very comfortable. This is one of the later Jordans that's been released. This was released 2005. That's when its history started, and they're called Dub Zeros. They're actually very, very comfy, you know what I'm saying? And to me, they're classic, you know what I'm saying? I like them, you know what I'm saying? I've not come to the end of my video, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Alright, if you're new to this channel, please click that like button, click that subscribe button, share my video, feel free to make a comment. And if you're new at this channel, and if you're not new, you're subscribed already at this channel, click that like button, feel free to make a comment, and come back again, okay? And maybe just next time, I might see you with these on. Maybe I might not. Who knows? One easy.